Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to make pasta the easy way. First, gather your simple ingredients: flour, eggs, and a little salt. For a good starting point, you'll want about 200 grams of all-purpose or double-zero flour and 2 large eggs. This ratio provides a perfect dough consistency. We'll combine these to form a pliable dough, which is the foundation of delicious homemade pasta. It's much simpler than you might think, and the fresh taste is truly worth it. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. Form a mound of flour on a clean surface, creating a well in the center. Crack your 2 eggs directly into this well, adding a pinch of salt. Gently whisk the eggs with a fork, slowly drawing flour from the sides into the liquid. Continue until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your pasta wonderfully pliable and smooth. After kneading, let your dough rest for at least 30 minutes covered to relax the gluten. This makes it much easier to roll. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Using a pasta machine, pass each piece through progressively thinner settings, starting wide and going down to about setting 6 or 7. If using a rolling pin, aim for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch. Finally, cut your thin sheets into your favorite pasta shapes, like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Now for the best part, cooking and enjoying your homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Taste a piece to ensure it's perfectly al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Drain quickly, reserving a little pasta water if desired, and toss immediately with your favorite sauce. Serve hot and savor the truly exceptional taste of your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.